seeing clear, and I can't help myself but ask how much I let the fear take the wheel and steer. See me before I seem to have a vague, haunting mask uphill. Lately I began to find that I should be the one behind the wheel. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. Open arms and open eyes, yeah.